Siguro yung ano lang, nagtulong-tulong lang kami ng mga players o nakikinig lang sila o sabi ko nga, kailangan natin magtrabaho as a team para maging manalo tayo rito sa ano. Unang-una ako, marami ang kalaban natin, nakikita naman natin ang halos powerhouse lahat ng kalaban, di ba? Ang lineups nila magaganda. So kahit sa lineup, sabi ko nga, kami ang pinakamahina. Pero nagiging successful dahil sabi ko nga lagi ko inasabi sana, kailangan natin magtrabaho tayo as a team. Hindi tayo pwede magkanya-kanya. Tsaka kailangan tulong-tulong lagi. Kami nga inaano ko rin lagi sa kanila na kailangan pag nagpasok natin ng court, all out tayo. Kami na bahala kung paano kayo didiscard yan, paano napapalitan yung bawat isa sa kanila.
Well, back to live action here, ladies and gentlemen. Nespa Millar still downplaying this 3-0 start by Cagayan Valley as this long rally continues. Jen Reyes keeping it alive to Bino. Here's Semana, quick set now to De Los Santos. Dug up there by Venus. Here's Royce. Dug up by Wendy. Cases across. Here's Bang.
This is a long rally.
This is a very long rally. And Rowley. Semana now on the back set to Joy Cases. Argarin. And Rowley on the push, and there is a net violation. This will go against Joy Cases. Lost track of where she was.
That's right. But you know, I like what Coach Nesus said earlier. He said, you know, that's the best thing to tell your players. You know, feeling niya, they're not a strong team. Do your best when you get it in court. And bahala na kami, the coaching staff, to see who's playing well or who to bring in. You know, that's a nice point.
Well, Semana with an error, and after a 6-0 start, look at this, we are tied at 8. So Signal slowly waking up thanks to Venus Bernal's offense and also thanks to the Rising Suns errors.
That's right. You know, that's really what errors can do for us as a team.
Of course, here in the rally point system, that is everything. Cases cannot get it through.
Another error.
Joy Cases has had more errors than points in this game. And look at this, the lead now belongs to Signal HD.
Well, for the viewers, yes, that is Joy Cases.
Yeah.
And let's hope that it's not a case of Samson, Samson and Delilah when they cut off her hair.
She's actually been playing well. Oh, Sandra trying to get through. And Rowley has to give up the free ball. Here is Semana now. Back set now for Cases. Bernal. Argarin. Tubino powers it down.
That's the right term. Powers it down.
Tubino coming off a 19-point performance in the loss against Bingo Millonario. It's as if Bingo Millonario just decided, oh, let's just stop one person. And they decided to stop Venus Bernal. Rap. Benito. Semana going to Sandra. And a net violation against Royce. One of the problems here of Royce is she's so long, she forgets where she is on the court sometimes.
No, and also it's nice to see them in opposing courts. I'm talking about Tubino and De Los Santos,
right.
you know?
The two middle hitters of Perpetual going up against each other. That's also a sidebar to this story. Reyes, Argarin, and Rowley, blocked there by Sandra. Back set, too near. Royce wasn't even close, but she gets a break.
That's right. A bit of a miscue there for Cagayan.
And all of a sudden, the miscues now plaguing Cagayan Valley. Sammy Akailar called a timeout for Signal at 6-0. It is now 11-9 Signal. 6-0 Cagayan Valley, I have to add. Tubino with a good one. Jonella gets to it. Semana now. Here's the runner from Sandra. And that is hard to stop.
That's right. And I remember she has put on a bit of weight.
A bit of weight. Just enough. Yeah, just enough. Just enough to give her more power.
For the viewers, what weight are you talking about? She's so skinny.
Sandra is adept at blocking, adept at attacking, adept at the running attack. The only thing that she needed to work on was that serve. And look at that cannon of serve. Here's Michelle Datuin going cross court, and she will miss.
Well, that's really bad news for Signal if she can pile up a couple more aces.
Right, yeah, that was an ace though, but the thing is, with Sandra De Los Santos, the 6 aces from the last game, that was big.
Yeah.
Sandra goes through this ritual where she just drops the ball and then just releases it, and there's another fault. So these are the little things that Sandra has to correct in her game. She used to be a 50%, 60% server, but the 50% would be killer serves, but you still die with the other 50% that she misses. Now she's close to about 70% already. In fact, in that last game, 2 errors out of 22 serves, including 6 aces. That's pretty big. Reyes stepping over Datuin to get that one through. Combination now, Pineda, Datuin, and a drop by Argarin. Pineda, Reyes. They go to Venus on the other side, and Venus is just so good at using the blockers to score.
That's right. You know, she was known for that, you know,
Yeah.
during her collegiate days. She looks really at her opponent, studies it. You have a smaller blocker, I'm going to go for that.
And I think there's something about the hair also of Venus, which has not changed over the years. When she's coming, you know, you see the waving hair.
Yeah.
You know, you think she's like moving at the speed of sound or something.
She has the same hairdresser from college.
We were probably very close friends. Running attack, Datuin. Yes. Oh, kept alive. Hold on. I've hit the ground already. Janela tried to sell it as if she saved it.
Well, first point there for Michelle Datuin.
Yep, 13-11. Danica Hendrauli out of Southwestern University in Cebu. Sharp serve, fielded by Joy Benito. Here's Pineda into the net. Errors after errors after errors is killing Cagayan Valley right now. 15-11.
Well, Signal doing a good job, just, you know, playing solid team, you know, team volleyball today.
Danica Hendrauli once again. Another nice one. Here's Semana. Pineda, turned back by Datuin. Semana going to bang once again. Trying to go through Datuin. Here's Rap. Venus. Oh! And that one went through the block again. Janela couldn't contain it. And the second technical timeout will find Signal up by 5 after they were down 6-0 earlier. Stay with us. We'll be right back. This sports special is brought to you